If it makes you happy to have a drawer full of clean, dedicated, premium kitchen towels like it does me, then this video is for you. If you're tired of kitchen towels that simply push water around instead of actually soaking it up, this is exactly what you need. We're going to break down the performance of these premium kitchen towels. Now, they are 16 by 28 and they're very luscious. They come in a convenient 8-pack, a solid and a coordinating plaid, and they come in several different color options. They are large, 100% cotton terry towels that are designed to handle your toughest messes that your kitchen can throw at them. With a dense 390 GSM rating, they strike the perfect balance between thick plushness and quick drying functionality. This classic tan checker design adds a touch of timelessness to any kitchen decor, making them as attractive as they are useful. They fold up really nicely and they wash and dry very well. Through our testing, we looked closely at how each of these towels absorbs liquid and how they hold up after multiple cycles through the washing machine, and how convenient they are to use. Now, they are very luscious, even fluffier after they're washed. And look, they have this great hook that helps them hang on your kitchen cabinet or wherever is convenient in your laundry room. I love the way they glide over my glass plates and they absorb the water very quickly. You can tell a fine towel when it absorbs water quickly from glass, which typically repels water. And just like the plastic, it takes up all the water completely, and the size is just right. I can do a dinner plate or a pot with one rag holding the entire plate or pot in my hand, and it comes off very dry. And instead of a mess like this where I can't find anything, they fold up very nicely. It's so very satisfying to have a nice stack of premium towels that coordinate at my fingertips. I highly recommend this great set. I think you'll be very pleased. And all the different color options that it comes with gives you something for every room and for every household.